Hi Sanjay. I just thought that it would be easier to just show you what this spreadsheet is all about compared to our little project. Basically, what this does is what the application I'm asking for, but this is just Excel based. So here you enter the width of a print, here you enter the height of a print. This is where you enter the quality or the grammage of the cover and the content paper, number of pages on the cover, number of pages on content, and you can see if you alter this, it calculates a new weight, which is weight for each print. And it also says that based on the paper choices I made here, you can see that it new calculates the spine size. So rygbredde in Danish is the spine size. And based on the preferences I set, this means that this standard 8 kilo box can carry, with this circulation says 174 boxes with 46 pieces each, and then each box will have a weight of 12.7 kilo. So the reason why I sent you this spreadsheet was basically just because you can see this is very similar to the this area is very similar to what I just asked for in the web application on the mobile. The tabs here, which on the Excel will be here in the bottom, this you don't have to take care because this is just the planning, so this is not important. Here, however, you can see that Media Broker is giving a prices in weight intervals from 0 to 10 gram, from 11 to 20 gram, and you can see there's a price per piece here. This price per piece is basically the lookup for the pricing here. So if you have 5,000 copies, you can see that with this weight, 275 grams, it will have a price per piece on 2.64 Danish kroner, a total of 5,000 times this one, and you will have it. And when you click at the fields, you will be able to see the lookups, the calculations performed to get these results. I think that's quite easy. So the prices is basically what you see these prices are the ones that is maintained from the partner, from the web-based thing. As we say, this is Media Broker, this could be GLS, it could be anybody basically. A thing also I want to show you is the tab. It's called Antal Modtager, which is where you see this is all the postal codes, and this is the name of the cities, and this is the number of households. This is actually the one that is going to be uploaded. Let me show you the PP calculator. If you look at Media Broker, you can see that it says upload Excel here. So that Excel spreadsheet, this is the Excel spreadsheet that Post Denmark is sending out on a weekly basis to all their partners. So if you upload this one to the PP platform here, then when the end user is actually entering here the postcode to postcode, you will get the number of households. If we go back to the this spreadsheet I sent to you, you can see that if here, that is similar to this one. So if you take postcode from 2800 to 2800, you get the exact same figure here. So basically what this does is also just a lookup from that table here. You can see I made a 7K. It just has a statement here that if it's in range, then it gets a false or a truth standard, and then when you multiply it, then you get the number of matches in this spreadsheet. This is quite simple. I'm sure you can understand this one as well. So basically, what is presented here, the data is maintained by each of our partners from this screen where you upload the Excel with the exceptions, of course, and the calculating way is done by the same methodology as with the spreadsheet. You can see I made a bulk table. I think that is comparing to the settings here. I didn't write this one because I need to have a bulk table, otherwise I can't get the spine size. So I just show you here that some ideas that, okay, you have a 90 gram paper, it has 105 in bulks. This, I mean, you don't have to take so much into considerations the actual numbers here. You just have to understand that every paper has a grammage, every paper has a bulk, and when you have the bulk, then you can calculate the size of the spine. When you have the weight of the paper, you can calculate the weight of it. So you have both here, and all of it is defined when you put it into the spreadsheet, which will be on the mobile platform when you're finished with your work. Let me give you an example also here. In order to make sure that we have a box, I say, okay, what is the size of the box? It's the width, the height, and it says here the spine size. So it says, okay, it's because I did a little error here, I think. You can see there's the box here. It says Kasse means box. The size of the box is 250 millimeters. Height of it's 250 millimeters. Depth 305 millimeters. Sorry. So when I go to this calculator, it says that, okay, the width can be inside the measurement of the box. The height can be inside the measurement of the box, and the spine size is how many can be inside. And you can just see that what I do here is I take a number, I take the bulk table, divide it with the spine size, and when I've divided this, it tells me this how many magazines can be in the box in order to make sure that it fits perfect. I hope you understand this. It's not that difficult. Of course, it's difficult when you don't understand why I sent this. I sent this one in order to give you an idea on some of the formulas and what kind of data we actually have access to already. And I'm sure that now this presentation would probably just give me any more questions. But together with what I've been writing, what I'm saying, what I'm showing, please see if you can dig just a little step further down before we take the next chat on what you need to know. Thank you very much.